Topic 1. Page 8. Grow. Of living things. Undergo natural development by increasing in size and changing physically. Example: the growing children are very cute. Page 8. Feed. Take food, eat something. Example: did you remember to feed the cat? Page 8. Reproduce. Produce offspring by a sexual or asexual process. Example: bacteria normally divide and reproduce themselves every 20 minutes. Page 8. Die. Of a person, animal, or plant. Stop living. Example: trees are dying from acid rain. Page 8. Decay. Structural or physical deterioration. Example: the old barn rapidly fell into decay. Page 10. Tiny. Very small. Example: a tiny hummingbird. Page 10. Giant. An imaginary or mythical being of human form but superhuman size. Example: a giant Superman is on TV. Page 11. Crops. A cultivated plant that is grown on a large scale commercially, especially a cereal, fruit, or vegetable. Example: the main crops were oats and barley. Topic 2. Page 12. Flowers. A cultivated plant that is grown on a large scale commercially, especially a cereal, fruit, or vegetable. Example: the scent of flowers is nice. Page 12. Leaf. Leaves. A flattened structure of a higher plant, typically green and blade-like, that is attached to a stem directly or via a stalk. Example: bay leaves. Page 12. Stem. A long, thin, supportive or main section of something. Example: the stem of a rose. Page 12. Fruit. The sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food. Example: eat plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables. Page 12. Roots. The part of a plant which attaches it to the ground or to a support, typically underground, conveying water and nourishment to the rest of the plant. Example: a tree root. Page 12. Seeds. The unit of reproduction of a flowering plant, capable of developing into another such plant. Example: grass seed. Topic 3. Page 16. Paper. Material manufactured in thin sheets from the pulp of wood. Example: a sheet of paper. Page 16. Product. An article or substance that is manufactured or refined for sale. Example: dairy products, paper products. Page 16. Basket. A container used to hold or carry things, typically made from interwoven strips of cane or wire. Example: a shopping basket. Page 16. Cotton. A soft, white, fibrous substance which surrounds the seeds of the cotton plant and is made into textile fiber and thread for sewing. Example: a cargo of cotton and wheat. Page 16. Dyes. A natural or synthetic used to add a color to change the color of something. Example: a black dye. Page 16. Spices. An aromatic or pungent vegetable substance used to flavor food. Example: the cake is packed with spices. Page 16. Fabrics. Cloth produced by weaving or knitting textile fibers. Example: heavy cream fabric. Page 18. Papyrus. A material prepared in ancient Egypt from the pithy stem of a water plant. Example: The text was preserved on papyrus. Page 18. Reeds. A tall, slender-leaved plant of the grass family, which grows in water or on marshy ground. Example, a reed curtain. Topic 4. Page 20. Germinate. A seed begins to grow and puts out shoots after a period of time. Example, the plant germinates in the morning. Page 20. Soil. The upper layer of earth in which plants grow, a black or dark brown material typically consisting of a mixture of organic remains, clay, and rock particles. Example, blueberries need very acidic oil. Page 22. Manure. Animal dung used for fertilizing land. Example, plenty of fully rotted horse manure can be dug in this fall. Page 22. Compost. Decayed organic material used as a fertilizer for growing plants. Example, the land is covered with a layer of fine compost. Page 22. Weed. A wild plant growing where it is not wanted and in competition with cultivated plants. Example, keep the seedlings clear of weeds. Page 21. Warmth. The quality, state, or sensation of being warm, moderate heat. Example, the warmth of the sun. Page 21. Light. The natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible. Example, the light of the sun. Topic 5. Page 26. Move. Go in a specified direction or manner. Change position. Example, she moved to the door. Page 26. Feed. Take food. Eat something. Example, did you remember to feed the cat? Page 26. Breathe. The air taken into or expelled from the lungs. Example, she breathed deeply. Page 26. Grow. Undergo natural development by increasing in size and changing physically. Example, if a newt's leg is amputated, it will grow a new one. Page 27. Reproduce. Produce offspring by a sexual or asexual process. Example, bacteria normally divide and reproduce themselves every 20 minutes. Topic 6. Page 30. Fur. The short, fine, soft hair of certain animals. Example, the trapper can sell his furs to the highest bidder. Page 31. Vertebrate. An animal of a large group distinguished by the possession of a backbone or spinal column. Example, a horse is an example of a vertebrate. Page 31. Invertebrate. An animal lacking a backbone. Example, a jellyfish is an example of an invertebrate. Page 31. Bone. Any of the pieces of hard whitish tissue making up the skeleton in humans and other vertebrates. Example, there are many bones inside the human body. Page 31. Skeleton. An internal or external framework of bone supporting or containing the body of an animal or plant. Example, the human skeleton. Page 31. Backbone. The series of vertebrae extending from the skull to the pelvis. Example, prickles of sweat broke out along her backbone. Page 33. Skull. A bone framework enclosing the brain of a vertebrate. The skeleton of a person or animal's head. Example, he broke his collarbone and fractured his skull. The end.